I was sent this reverse osmosis and water heating device from VonWater and ask you my opinion on it. Make this short video. So here it goes. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. It comes fully assembled, and all you really have to do is just take this little magnetic base piece here and just set it in the front. Gets the owner's manual here, and a warranty card comes included with it. And device really easy to operate. You're just going to put the water in the back here. This whole compartment comes out. There's a handle right here. You've got a maximum fill line at the top, and then it's got a divider at the bottom, so when it gets low on water, it's going to tell you to dump this out. I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in it right now. We're up pretty close to the fill line here. Put this on the back of the unit. Slides into place. It's got a cover for the top. And then plug it in. And right off the bat, it's going to light up, and you're going to see that it's going to fill this container right here. This is like a pitcher. You can remove this. Comes out like this, and you can pour water from it right from the top. So you can pour room temperature water. This has already been purified from the reverse osmosis process. But I'll click that down in, and what it's going to do right now is it's going to go ahead and fill up. You're going to see the device here start to run its filtration mode. It's going to fill up with water that goes through the RO filters in the back of the device and into the top of the tank. And when the device is completely filled up, this pitcher on the front here, you're ready to use. So any combination of heated or cooled water can be chosen with these buttons here right on the front. So if I just put my glass here, I can choose how much water do I want to dispense. A 16 ounce, 25, just keep pressing it to cycle through to 5 ounces. Here's 10 ounces. This is about a 10 ounce glass, so I'll go with 10 ounces. If I just want room temperature water, just push the button, you get a nice blue light comes out, and then it starts to fill that up, and you see it's got 1 ounce, and that'll count up till it gets to 10 ounces, and then it'll stop. And then as you can see, the water started to draw down from the pitcher here, and then the system will kick back in, and it'll replenish that, so it's ready for the next serving. So I'll go ahead and dump this out. Now say I wanted to do some heated water. I can just choose, let's make it just a 5 ounce glass. I can choose about 110 degree water here. This is a setting for baby formula. Another one here for some hot lemon tea, 149 degrees. And then over here, a hot tea at 185 degrees. And then pure boiling water here, 198 degrees. You're gonna see it when that comes out, steaming hot. So let's go ahead and push that, and we'll get it to come out. Now I've got a lock button here flashing. I'll turn that off and then hit dispense. That's a safety in case of a child that touched it. You don't want scalding water to come out. So now this water is coming out at 198 degrees, and you'll see that's apparent with all this steam that starts coming right off. It's got a red light to indicate that it's hot water that's coming out. And yeah, this is boiling water going right into our glass. And if you're going to make some hot chocolate or anything that required hot water, you've got it instantly here on demand by just pushing the button. Gets to 5 ounces, and then that'll shut off. And yeah, this is very, very hot to the touch on this glass already. Put this back. You can also see how much total dissolved solids are in the water if you just push these 2 buttons here. Hold them for about 3 seconds. You'll see here that you've got, let's do that one more time. We're showing 8 TDS. So this has a total dissolved solids of just 8, which has been, all of those solids have been removed by the filter in the unit. And the RO filter is really easy to change. You just take this panel here off the top, and here's the filter. You just lift this handle, pull it straight up, and this filter has all of the different reverse osmosis filters that you need in one unit. So you see at the bottom, it's got O-rings here from 3 different entry points and exit points. This is where the water is going to be filtered in this one cartridge, all of the 3 different types of filters that are used with a RO type setup here. So they call it a 6-in-1 reverse osmosis. Just put that in. You just set it in like this, locks into place, and push it down. At any time, if you just wanted to pour the water out, you can pick this up here, and then it's got an automatic opening top there. And I can pour water out like that. The system will sense that some of it has come out, and it'll start to run again. You'll see a light come on here as it starts to replenish the pitcher in the front. And now that light has come on, and this will start to rise up until it gets completely filled up again. So super easy to use, real simple for you to just fill this thing up every few days. In the back, holds a lot of water. So you get several glasses of water out of here on just one fill up. And anytime you need to get anything hot, you're just going to choose what temperature you're going to want, how many ounces, hit go, and out it comes. So hey, I hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about this VonWater system for water purification and for heating up that water on demand. I hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.